Hey there, Binance users! Ready to make your crypto work for you? Let's dive into Binance staking step by step. First up, log into your Binance account. On the top navigation bar, hover over Earn. You'll see a drop-down menu, click on Staking. Now it's time to choose your preferred coin. Browse through the available staking options. Binance offers a variety of coins, so pick one that aligns with your investment strategy. Got your coin? Great. Next, click on the coin you want to stake. You'll be redirected to a detailed page. Here you can see the staking duration options and the estimated annual percentage yield, APY. Select the amount you want to stake and the staking period. Once you're happy with your choices, hit the confirm button. And just like that, your crypto is staked. But wait, there's more. To ensure you're on top of your staking activity, head back to the Earn tab. Click on Staking History. Here, you can monitor your staked assets, see your rewards, and track the duration left for each staked item. And that's it. You've successfully staked your crypto on Binance. It's a smart way to earn passive income while holding onto your favorite coins. Remember, staking involves risks, so always do your own research. Happy staking, and may your crypto grow. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto tips and guides.